Hey, so I just want to share a quick smoothie recipe with you. Promise it'll be quick. Hope you enjoy. So carrots are optional. I like to put 1 part kale, 1 part mango nectar, or any juice really, 1 part water, and then 2 parts frozen pineapples. So again, that's a few carrots, some kale, mango nectar, water, and then 2 parts of frozen pineapple. Blend it all up and serve. So it turns out it's pretty healthy. I calculated it to be about 140 calories per serving, and here's how it breaks out. So yeah, so it's healthy, but I'm also telling you that it tastes great. So here, I'm proving it right now. You tell? Boom. Oh yeah, believe me now? See, I'm telling you, tastes great, delicious. Believe me now? Yeah. Alright, well, I guess you're gonna have to try it yourself. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and be sure to share it with somebody if you think they might like it.